Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Most of you know that plants need fertilizer to help them grow. Generally speaking, all plants will benefit from fertilizer applications at least once or twice a year. This will help to replenish what elements that were used up by the plant or leached out by heavy irrigation. These applications should be made just before the start of the plant's heaviest growing season. For most plants, this means early spring, which is mid to late February or early March, and then again in early fall, late September or early October. The most used elements for plant growth are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, known as the macronutrients or NPK of the fertilizer. The percentages of these three elements are always listed on the front of the fertilizer package and always in the same order. Nitrogen has the quickest effect on plants by helping to produce more leaf growth. Plants use a lot of it, and it is easily leached from the root zone, particularly in our soils. Phosphorus is vital for root development, fruit, and flower production. Potassium for plants comes primarily from potash. It produces strong plant structure and increases resistance to stress and disease. All plants benefit from all of these elements, but depending on what your plants are, will determine what elements you should give them more of. For example, lawns, hedges, and shade trees will want more nitrogen in their fertilizer, and roses, flowers, and fruits will want more phosphorus in theirs. Minerals used in very small amounts, but also important to plants, are known as micronutrients. These include elements such as iron, zinc, copper, manganese, and magnesium. The Dr. Q's fertilizer line showcases the most recent advances in specialty fertilizer development. The variety-specific nutrient formula is combined with a unique blend of soil conditioners that help reduce soil compaction by opening up spaces for air and water. They also increase the capacity of the absorbing root hairs to hold and take in more of the fertilizer, making it less likely to be leached out into the groundwater. Always read and follow the directions on the back of each package. For more information on this topic, get a free copy of our Star Note number 600 at any of our store locations or at starnursery.com. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.